Hey there, I'm Jared with the Annuity Expert. Today, we are going to discuss how to enroll in Medicare without the hassle. Turning 65 is an exciting milestone, but navigating Medicare can feel overwhelming. With so many parts, plans, and deadlines to keep track of, it's easy to see why people get confused. But don't worry, enrolling in Medicare doesn't have to be complicated. Today we'll break down the process step by step so you can enroll with confidence and avoid unnecessary stress. First, let's talk about your Initial Enrollment Period, or IEP. This is the 7-month window around your 65th birthday, 3 months before, the month of, and 3 months after. This is the best time to enroll in Parts A and B without penalties. If you're already receiving Social Security benefits, you're automatically enrolled. For those still working with employer coverage, you may be able to delay Part B without penalty, but be sure to confirm your coverage is creditable to avoid surprises later. Next, think about what Medicare coverage works best for you. Original Medicare includes Parts A and B, but you may want additional coverage like a Part D prescription drug plan or a Medicare supplement Medigap plan to help with out-of-pocket costs. Alternatively, you could consider a Medicare Advantage plan or Part C, which bundles everything into one plan and often includes extras like vision, dental, and wellness perks.
Before we jump back into the video, let us introduce you to the Annuity Expert, your trusted resource for financial guidance. At the Annuity Expert, we provide tools, insights, and expert advice to help you make confident financial decisions and achieve your goals. Our learning labs are designed to simplify complex topics like annuities, insurance, and retirement planning. With expert guides, personal finance tips, and product reviews, you'll find everything you need to build a stable and secure financial future. If you're looking to grow your savings, check out today's interest rates. You can shop and compare the latest rates to find the best opportunities for your financial needs. We also offer a suite of free financial calculators designed to help you plan smarter and achieve your goals. From retirement and investing to insurance, our tools cover a wide range of financial needs. Whether you're estimating retirement income, projecting savings growth, or evaluating insurance options, these calculators empower you to take control of your financial future with confidence. For personalized advice, speak with our licensed financial professionals for free. Share your goals, concerns, and unique circumstances, and together we'll craft a plan tailored to your needs. Visit the Annuity Expert today and start taking steps toward the financial future you deserve.
Once you've chosen the right coverage, the enrollment process is straightforward. You can sign up for Original Medicare through the Social Security Administration's website, by phone, or in person at a local office. For Medicare Advantage or Part D plans, you'll enroll directly with the private insurance company offering the plan. Be sure to compare your options carefully to find the best fit for your healthcare needs and budget. If you're still working past 65 or covered under your spouse's employer plan, you may qualify for a special enrollment period when that coverage ends. This gives you 8 months to enroll in Medicare without penalties. However, don't wait too long. Missing key deadlines can result in higher premiums or gaps in coverage. Remember, staying proactive is key. Review your options annually during Medicare's annual enrollment period, which runs from October 15th to December 7th. This is your opportunity to switch plans, add new coverage, or make adjustments to better meet your needs for the upcoming year. So, if you want to learn more, don't hesitate to reach out. You can visit us online at the Annuity Expert or call to schedule a free consultation at 770-755-1565. Again, that's 770-755-1565. Also, if you want more tips on your retirement, like and subscribe. Remember, it's never too early to start planning for your future.